Hello and welcome to Ryvid. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Ryvid Phone Mount. To begin, let's grab the phone mount. Offer up the provided spacer. Feed 4mm Allens through the front half of the clamp and gently tighten by hand at first. Now we'll grab a 4mm Allen to snug them down and find the position on the handlebar in which best suits you and your phone. Once your Allens are snug down, you may then loosen the adjustment clamp to find the angle that suits your best viewing angle. Let's grab the phone. Simply open the jaw, slide it in, and release. And that's our Ryvid phone mount. You can learn more about the Anthem by scanning the QR code on the inside of the storage tank lid, which will direct you to our owner's manual. If you need further assistance, please email us at service@ryvid.com. You can also find us online by going to ryvid.com. Thank you.